Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Creative Crafts by Chaitra, and this is Chaitra. Well, today I'll be showing you how to make this and this. So there are tea coasters or coffee coasters. One is with newspaper, one is with popsicles, and one is with jute. So without any late, let's get started. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please like, share and comment my video. And for more craft videos like this, do subscribe my channel and click the bell button below so you won't miss any of my videos. Bye bye.